Okay, now we're gonna be doing the easiest way to cook Hainanese chicken or chicken rice. Very popular in Singapore, but of course this is not the authentic way to make it. As always, we keep things simple and easy. To start off, we're gonna need some chicken thigh fillets, ginger, leeks or spring onions, just use whatever you have, chicken bouillon, some garlic, sesame oil, some salt. For the chicken marinade, just add in your sesame oil, some salt, mix it around, just make sure everything's coated nicely. Leave it to the side for about 15 to 20 minutes. For the leeks, just separate the white part from the green part, just like so. Set the white part to the side. Split the green part of the leeks into two. Then slice them up thinly. Crush the white part of the leek and set it aside. Do the same with your garlic. Peel them, of course. Do the same with your ginger. Already washed my rice and put it in a rice bowl and add in some equal parts water. To it, we're gonna add in our ginger, our leeks, half of the bouillon cube, your garlic, and your chicken. Spread them out nicely. Make sure they're not on top of each other. Put the lid on. And put it in your rice cooker. Now while we're waiting for the chicken and rice to cook, let's start making our ginger and leek sauce. Just grate your ginger. Put it in a bowl. Add in your sliced leeks. Put in some vegetable oil. A little bit of sesame oil. Stir it around. Your rice is done cooking. Leave it for about 15 minutes more for the chicken to all the way through. When they're done, just take it out. Slice them up. Onto a plate. As for your rice, give it a good mix before you take it out of the rice cooker. There you go, the easiest Hainanese chicken. Enjoy! Please like, comment, and subscribe.